going on, everybody? Welcome to another episode of Bartending with Bones. I'm Bones. If you're new to the channel, please consider liking and subscribing so you don't miss any future videos. Today's drink is called the Gospondin. Not sure exactly if that's how you say it, but that's what we're going to go with. It involves some vodka and some apricot brandy. If you're not a real big brandy person, trust me, you'll go with this. It's got a nice little mix to it that I'm sure you're going to like. Let's begin. First, get you a whiskey glass with some cracked ice in it. I know it's a vodka drink, but trust me, that's the glass you want to go with. Get you your jigger. Pour in 1 ounce of your vodka, then 3/4 of an ounce of your apricot brandy. Another little baby drink. I swear. There's the alcohol, people. Not saying I want a lot of drink, but you know, you're going out somewhere to go get a drink that's going to cost you like $5-6 or maybe more. You want something that's going to last you more than a minute. Cheers, everybody. Very nice. Vodka's there in the background being a silent player. That apricot brandy's right out front, letting you know somebody's there at the party. Very nice drink. If you like what I'm doing, you know what to do. Thank you and have a good day.